Mangroves, serving as nature's silent guardians, are among nature's most powerful ecosystems. They are living sentinels of the coastline, offering refuge for biodiversity, buffering communities from storms and locking away carbon at astonishing rates. Along Sri Lanka's northwestern coastline, where land and water weave together in delicate harmony, lies a precious ecosystem. Anavilundava Ramsar Wetland, one of Sri Lanka's 6 Ramsar wetlands, home to many threatened and migratory species. Over many decades, vast swaths of mangrove forests were lost to shrimp farming, land reclamation, and pollution. In fact, Sri Lanka lost over 70% of its original mangrove cover in the last century. The Anavilundava International Ramsar Wetland, once rich with coastal biodiversity, became one such casualty. To heal what's been lost, the Department of Wildlife Conservation took initiative to reclaim the degraded wetlands and restore the sensitive ecosystem of 44.5 hectares with the technical partnership of the Wimber University and Wildlife and Nature Protection Society back in July 2020. Supporting this pioneering initiative, Biodiversity Sri Lanka initiated its Life to Our Mangroves project in September 2021. This partnership brings together public, private and people to restore 13 hectares of degraded wetlands with 10 corporate partners on board.
Anavilundava Accelerated Natural Regeneration Project is very much a science-driven project. So to start with, making sure that we have the contour maps of the area, which was supported by the Sri Lanka Hydrographic Division of the Sri Lanka Navy. So Biodiversity Sri Lanka, which is the partner of the Accelerated Natural Regeneration Project, has also supported this science. They have ensured that the scientific activities move forward and that such data are helping us to decide where we are going to plant mangroves and which species of mangroves we plant and how do we bring the hydrology and how do we make sure we collect data in order to make it a successful project.
Across different plots, the work is governed by science and actioned by people. Local communities are at the heart of this effort and play a central role, not only as stewards but as beneficiaries, managing nurseries, participating in awareness events and acting as custodians of this precious ecosystem.
When in the mangroves, we collect these stick-like seedlings and plant them in vacant places in the mangrove, because when we do so, it is better for our fish harvest or crab harvest. That way we can go forward step by step, bettering our livelihoods. With the regrowing of the mangroves, we feel that this system has got new life.
The rehydrate canals have fostered a thriving mangrove community with survival rates reaching up to 75%. Rhizophora mucronata, the dominant species, now towers over a meter tall in some areas.
In here at Anavilundava, we do Life to Our Mangroves project where there was previously shrimp ponds and shrimp aquaculture practices are done. Now we are resetting the land, resetting the hydrology, give the way back to natural mangroves to come back into the land and do this natural regeneration. Then we do scientific data collection, scientific monitoring and scientific surveys such as faunal floral assessments and so much scientific surveys. The data analysis prove that this project ensures developing biodiversity.
Restoring mangroves means more than planting trees. It means food security, disaster risk reduction, biodiversity recovery, and nature-based solution for climate resilience.
Department of Wildlife Conservation together with the Ministry of Environment and University of Coimbatore, we started accelerated natural regeneration of mangrove project in 2020. After that, in 2021, Biodiversity Sri Lanka joined with Department of Wildlife Conservation to restore the mangrove area about 13 hectares. This is one of the best restoration project of the world declared by UN in 2024.
With potential for carbon sequestration, it also supports Sri Lanka's blue carbon goals and nationally determined contributions.
Mangrove forest more vital compared with the tropical rainforest in terms of environmental conservation and managing climate changes. As an example, mangrove have a capacity to store carbon 4 to 5 times higher than the tropical forest. It is helpful for us to do a research and estimate carbon absorption ratios. So therefore, this is not the one project, this is multifaceted. This helps for a number of areas for the environmental protection and the same time research and development area as well.
Life to our mangroves is truly a collective effort, bringing together passionate scientists, committed corporations, curious students, and empowered communities. From field visits to evaluations, every hand plays a part in restoring this fragile ecosystem, and every outcome is measured, monitored, and adapted. As we look to the future, work continues, measuring carbon, adapting to climate realities, and ensuring that mangroves thrive long after the final seed is sown. Building on this journey, the Life to Our Mangroves initiative aims to bring new life to the Eluvilliya Sanctuary in Galle, extending our commitment to protect, restore Sri Lanka's coastal treasures for generations to come. This restoration is rooted in science, nourished by community, and sustained by collaboration. Together, we are giving life back to our mangroves. Life to Our Mangroves, Anavilundava, restoring ecosystems, building resilience, empowering communities. Let's make the environment everyone's business.